Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making the connection. Do this now. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff. Keep devices within about 10 meters so pairing stays stable. Sign into the same Apple ID on both devices, then accept any trust prompts. Once done, open Sidecar from your Mac's display menu or system settings. This initializes the session. You're starting the remote display, not mirroring accidentally, so choose Extend or Mirror as your plan mode before proceeding. Next, select your iPad from the AirPlay or Sidecar menu on the Mac. Pick Extend to use it as a second display, or Mirror to duplicate. Once connected, configure the sidebar and touch bar options to map modifier keys, show or hide controls, and enable Apple Pencil input. Make sure you set the iPad screen position relative to your Mac and verify resolution for crisp text. You'll notice cursor and stylus behavior immediately. Tweak settings to match your workflow and muscle memory. Finish by testing functionality. Draw with Apple Pencil, type and move windows to confirm responsiveness. When you're done, disconnect Sidecar through the AirPlay menu or system settings to return to a single display. If you encounter lag, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure nothing heavy is saturating the network. For persistent latency or dropouts, connect with a USB-C/Lightning cable. This gives a direct link and eliminates wireless interference. That single troubleshooting step solves most performance issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.